day 2.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Morning. So we are going to Pearl Harbour today. I'm not sure how much we can actually record because 1, it is a memorial, and 2, there was some things online about it, so I don't really know. We'll see what we can do.
Yeah.
So
we'll see you there.
We will see you there. Went down when I was on my birthday.
I just lasted over a year. That's something new. What?
That's the best way to eat it. Only way. Alright guys, we'll get started with her construction and begin. Now those names are going to bring the story full circle during World War II. I'll share that with you guys in the kamikaze. June 11, 1944, she's complete, ready for service and commissioned for the first time. She participates in the Allied invasions of Iwo Jima, Okinawa, and operations against mainland Japan. Then after more than a decade of world conflict, the Japanese forces arrived right here on the ship and formally surrender over there on that surrender deck, September 2nd, 1945. Okay? Full steam ahead into the Korean War. She charges in. She would do 2 tours from 1950 to 1955. A lot of modernization, a lot of the weapons, 50-inch cals were removed from the ship. 2 of the 5-inch 38 caliber guns were removed to make tomahawks. So she went through quite a bit. So now here she is, May 10, 1986. She's recommissioned, all complete again, ready for service. So she participates now in the Gulf War. Operation Ernest Will, Operation Desert Shield, and January 17 of 91, the Missouri was the first of the 4 Iowa-class battleships to launch her Tomahawk missiles as Operation Desert Storm began. Speaking of Iowa-class battleships, this is an Iowa-class. They were the biggest, the fastest. They were dressed with the most sophisticated firepower. We were heavily armed, and she had 3 sisters. So it was the Iowa, the New Jersey, and the Wisconsin. Mighty Mo was the last American battleship ever built. Next, straight ahead, up a ladder of 10 steps. Is there anybody with mobility restrictions? Door that is.
Those are some big guns. Nice. You having fun, dear? You want a picture? Hold on. It's a big boat. Oh, Top Gun. Top Gun's playing. So did all of these bullet holes come from Pearl Harbour? Wow. I mean, not wow, but you know what I mean. Wow. Sure.
Taxi, you know, mum and daddy's buses.
This one ain't
What
peep peep. Oh, that's very thin. Nearly was, oh dear, I'm walking along doing this next minute and I'm like, oh, hello plane wing, how are you? No. Yeah,
the very first Transformers?
the nasty pasties. Nasty pasties. I like how we have Harry Potter books along with the Simpsons. Mickey Mouse. Thank you. I just said smooth, but that wasn't smooth. Oh. I feel like Hello, Dale. How did you find the potholes?
Small.
Very small. It's like being on the Titanic. Like, it isn't moving, but I feel like I'm moving.
Well, really, going. Well, really, was there. I could live on seafood. My dad can. My dad can. Yeah, watch it, watch it. I mean
So, we went to Pearl Harbour. We saw the USS, did we?
Missouri.
Missouri. We saw a submarine, the Bullfin. We went to the Arizona Memorial and we went to the Aviation Museum. Did you enjoy it?
I did.
I really enjoyed it. We also, the thing that I was most shocked by was the fact that you could see bullet holes. They're still there. The bullet holes are there. Shocked me. So we enjoyed Pearl Harbour. Booked it earlier, didn't we? I can't remember how much it cost. Wear sunscreen. It was real warm yesterday. Stay hydrated. Wear sunscreen. We then came back and we ate in Aoki, which is a teppanyaki restaurant. We really enjoyed it.
Very nice.
Very nice. So, yeah. We'll show you some of the teppanyaki things, and then we ended up coming back and I KO'd. Yeah, I was tired. So, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Yeah?
Yeah.
And keep exploring.